Bernardino put it on ice.
So ayun ang mga sports, Gilas Pilipinas Women versus Singapore. What a rematch game na kung saan init na init ang Singapore na makabawi sa kanilang talo sa first game kontra Gilas Pilipinas Women. Sadly to say, hindi nila nakuha ang panalo. Kahit na nanalo ang Gilas, nahirapan pa rin si Cacho dahil muntikan na siyang makakuha ng injury. Halika tignan natin mga sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
Somewhat of a Cinderella story, you so fake. And Delanosa, she will get a step on the baseline, all but delayed. She's done a good job getting to the bucket count. With a 3-1, it is the pop. Straight down Main Street, and they find ways to make shots. Not Jermaine, active hands, good look, however, finding Bernardino go. Matilda, sneaky link. Season that they hosted. Oh my goodness. Now with Cacho. Oh, finding a way through traffic. Inside to De La Rosa. De La Rosa elevates. Can't challenge, cannot see past Bernardino. No hesitation. Jermaine stepped on the line. So, and just De La Rosa, you don't want them. Matilda, she can drop. Bernardino. Oh man, when she's in the post, she ain't hard down there. Jermaine. De La Rosa. Midi. Meantime, the thievery, I'll take that and you take this. Get back serious, would you? Okay, gotcha. Any magic remaining. Possibly not fouling. Cacho down low. University MVP. Bernardino. Bernardino put it on ice. Philippines will be ready. Better week.
So yun na mga sports na what a game, and Gilas Pilipinas Women ay may ticket na pa World Cup papuntang Poland. Tignan lang natin kailan ang schedule at abangan lang ninyo sa ating page. Like, share, and subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa kwentong basketball. So paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!